Hey guys, welcome to the Sauna Place. I'm Brian Mitchell. I'm here to explain today the basic setup of a Harvia CX30 and a CX45 power unit. This is the basic setup of what you will need to get your heater running and the importance of each part of this system. The main components that you will have with this is going to be, of course, your power unit. This is where everything goes. It will have your contactors. It will have everything to wire in your heater. Will also come with your temperature sensor and your wall controller. We want to do this video to show you where all of this goes in this box. So basically, when you're looking at this, you're going to see A1, A2, a neutral, and then your L1s and your L2s. What that is, your A1 and A2s. This is going to be 14 gauge wire that's going to go from the power unit to your heater. The importance of this is so that does control the high limit switch on your heater. It must be installed. The neutral is going to be, you're going to run that from your breaker panel if you're going to run your lights off of your controller. If you're not going to run your lights or anything else off of your controller, you do not need the neutral. Your L1 and L2s, your first sets of Ls are the power coming from the breaker panel or load center into the power unit. The next set of Ls, and you'll see by arrows, are going from the power unit out to the heater. The back of the heater will also be marked with your L1, L2s, and your A1 and A2. This is very important that you have your power in and your power out to the heater. And it's also very important to not forget the A1 or A2 so your heater will work correctly. That's the basic setup of that. And the wire size will depend, of course, on the heater. On the heater, you have the kilowatt size. Consult your electrician and the owner's manual for that information. Next, your temperature sensor. This will go right here on the very top, right in here on this card. Goes blue, white, red, yellow. You can check right here on the ends. Make sure that there's plenty of metal and it's making good contact whenever you put it in. There has been times where that was just a little bit long and it wasn't making good contact, so it wouldn't work. So just double check as you're installing it to make sure that that is right. And so that goes here, goes inside of your sauna. Consult your manual again to make sure that you put this in the correct location for your heater. The wall control. Your digital wall control will go outside of your sauna and will come with a standard, basically like a Cat6 type cable. It will go in, if you see here, you will plug that into the left jack when you're looking at this. This is where it must go. If you put it in the right jack, it will not work correctly. This box needs to be outside of your sauna. This power unit and controller need to be outside of your sauna. This needs to be accessible, but you will not need to get into it often, but just don't bury it. So make sure you can get to it if you ever need to. There are some fuses in here that rarely, but every now and then could possibly go out that you might need to check. There is a toggle switch on the bottom for your on and off. When you turn that on, you should have a green light on this card. If there's not a green light, something's not hooked up correctly. This unit does come both the controller cable and the sensor cable in set lengths. If you need longer lengths because you need to put your power unit further away for whatever reason, we do sell this by the foot. You can go up to 80 feet from the power unit to your sauna. So if you need that, please reach out and we'll be more than happy to take care of that for you. Guys, if you have any questions about the CX units, the controller, temp sensors, anything you see here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Visit us at saunaplace.com or give us a call at 931-516-6577. We hope to hear from you soon.